Hello friends, today we are going to discuss question 42 of SOM series. Before watching this video, make sure that you have watched my video on how to find area, that is part 2 of SOM series. The link you can get in the description. And in our last section we discussed question 41, that is this question. If you want to watch this question, then you can find the link in the description. And today we will solve question 42. So question is, the area bounded by y is equal to x square and y is equal to 4, two even function, is divided into two equal parts by a line y is equal to c, determine c. So here we have to find the point C. So first of all, let's draw the graph of y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square. Graph look like this. This is y is equal to x square. No, sorry, I have drawn the graph of x is equal to y square. This is x is equal to y square. In this, how to remember such graph? Whenever we have to draw x is equal to y square, so whichever term is a linear, means we do not have power, so on that line we have to draw. So this is x-axis, so this is x is equal to y square, so this is not our graph. We have to draw y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square implies here main axis will be y-axis. So on y-axis we have to draw the graph. This is a thing how I used to remember. So this is useful. You don't commit mistake. Y is equal to x square, so you have to draw on y-axis. So when we draw on y-axis, this graph will be like this. It will be, this type of. Now y is equal to 4 is given point. Let this is y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. We are given y is equal to 4. And we have to find the bounded area. The area is, this is the bounded area. I hope you can see, this is bounded area. Is divided into equal parts by a line y is equal to c. By a line y is equal to c, it is divided into two equal parts. Let's assume this is line y is equal to c, such that area here is equal to area here. So how to solve such question? It's to apply the formula of area. We know area is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx, or here y is constant, so let's take dx dy. So this is stated that both areas are equal, so we can write area of this is equal to area of this, so to note the value of y. So it's here y belongs to, let this take a2, this is a1. For a2, y belongs to c to 4, and for a1, y belongs to 0 to c. So area of a2 is equal to double integration 1 into dy dx dy, because we have taken y constant. To y is from, for a2 y is from c to 4. Now to know the limit of y, to know the limit of x, we draw the, when it's dy dx, we draw the horizontal line. And when we draw the horizontal line, we can see it's entering from this surface is, this whole curve is y is equal to x square, but here x is negative, so x is equal to minus root y, and here x is positive, so y is equal to plus, x is equal to plus root y. So y belongs to minus root y to root y. And similarly for a1, y belongs to 0 to c into 1 into dx dy. And here also similarly y is entering from, when we draw the horizontal line, it's entering from y is equal to root y, x is equal to root y, and x is equal to positive root y, to minus to positive, minus root y plus root y. Now we are stated that both areas are equal, so a1 is equal to a2. Now equate both these equation. So integration from c to 4, integration from minus root y to root y, 1 into dx dy is equal to integration from 0 to c, integration from minus root y to root y, dx dy. Now it became easy to solve. So now integration of 1 with respect to dx is x, and so that is equal to c to 4. Here root x, it's limited from minus root y to root y, and dy, that is equal to integration from 0 to c. Here it will be integration of 1 with respect to dx is x, limited from minus root y to root y into dy. Now solving this, we will get upper limit minus lower limit. So when we will put the upper limit, we get root y and minus lower limit. So root y minus plus root y. So 2 root y limited from c to 4 dy, that is equal to 0 to c. Here also 2 root y, because both are similar, into dy. Now when we will integrate this term with respect to dy, we get 2 into y raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 limited from 0 to 4, that is equal to 2 into y raised to 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 1. Integration of y raised to 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 1, y raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1. It's limited from 0 to c. So we can see that 2 is same both side and 3 by 2 is also same. So this constant will get cancelled. So let me write one time. So 3 by 2 means 4 by 3 into upper limit 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 0 is going to be 0, that is equal to this also 4 by 3. Upper limit is here it was from c to 4, so here it will be minus c raised to 3 by 2 into c raised to 3 by 2 minus 0. So this will get cancelled. Now solving this, 4 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to minus, here it is c raised to 3 by 2 is equal to, this is c raised to 3 by 2. Now taking this that side, we get 4 raised to, this we can write root, that is equal to, this will be plus 1 plus 1, 2 c raised to 3 by 2. So this is 2 cube, and when we divide by 2, that is equal to c raised to 3 by 2. So now this will be 2 will get cancelled, so it will be 4. So squaring both sides, 4 square, that's equal to c raised to 3 by 2 whole square. So this will be c cube. This is 4 square, that implies 16 is equal to c cube. That implies c is equal to under root of cube root of 16. So we find the value of c is equal to cube root of 16. So this is our answer. I hope you understood this question. If you really like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. Also press the notification bell for latest video. And if you give me any suggestion or anything, then you can write in the comment section. Thank you.